Shoulders back, sit her on her ass, Em. Right, now send her forward. Come on. That's it. Sit forward. Go, go. Okay, cool. Do you want to do the one star? I don't know. We'll do the pre-novice again. So watch the right drift when you're coming to the pre-novice one. Good. Forward, forward, forward. That's it. Good. If you want to do it, keep going and jump the one star.
She won't. She might.
Good. Now shoulders back.
Come on, you
Stay
can
the
do
same.
this.
Good. That's it.
Come
Stay
on.
the same.
Good girl,
Stay
good girl,
the same.
good girl, good girl.
That's it. Sit up.
Sit down.
Good. Do it again.
Oh my God.
Okay, good. Now do it again and sit back, okay? All that stuff I've been telling you all day about your shoulders. Yeah. Wake her up. Give her a little spurt forward.
Yeah, come on, come on.
That's it. Come on. Good. Now sit on your ass. Put your shoulders back and your hands down.
Come on, you can do this.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Good
Good
girl.
girl. Woohoo!
Very good. How'd that feel?